Welcome to our guide on order types. Essentially, they're instructions you use to set the exact price for a trade. They give you more precision, let you automate your investing strategy so you aren't stuck to your screen, and add a layer of protection for your portfolio. Order types help you stick to your plan instead of making emotional decisions in the heat of the moment. Let's look at how they work. A limit buy order lets you set the most you're willing to pay for a stock. For example, if it's trading at $50 but you want a better deal, you can set your limit at $49. The trade only happens if the price hits $49 or less, making sure you get the stock at your preferred price without overpaying. To use a limit buy order, first go to the stock trading page. Enter the symbol you want to purchase and the quantity you want to buy. Next, change your order type to a limit order. Enter the maximum price you are willing to pay for the stock. Generally, the price should be near or below the current market price. Currently, the last price for Nike is $63.82. So for this example, I'll put the limit order at $62. That way, if the stock price drops to $62 or below today, my order will execute. Click Preview to update the estimated cost to reflect my target price, and click Confirm to place the order. When you think a stock is almost as high as it's going to go, a limit sell order lets you sell it the moment it hits the price you want. This helps you save your profit automatically as the price goes up, giving you total control over exactly how much you get for your shares. To set this up, enter the symbol for the stock you already own. Then pick Sell and Limit as your order type and type in the price you want to receive. The big difference here is that a limit order guarantees your price, but a stop order does not. Once a stock hits your price, a stop order turns into a regular market order to make sure the trade happens immediately. While you usually set a limit buy below the current price to get a deal, you set a stop buy above it. Use this when you think a stock is about to start a fast climb and you want to jump on board as soon as it moves. To protect yourself against a sudden price drop, you can use a stop sell order, often called a stop loss. You place this below the current price to sell your shares automatically if the price starts to fall. It's a smart habit to set one for every stock you own. Just be sure to give this stock some breathing room so a minor price swing doesn't trigger a sale too early. For example, if you buy a stock at $100, you could set your stop at $90. This caps your potential loss at 10%. You can also use this to protect a win. If a stock you bought at $50 climbs to $70, you could set a stop at $65. This saves $15 of profit while still giving the stock a bit of a buffer. Think of a trailing stop as a smart safety net that moves on its own. As your stock price climbs, this stop stays a set distance behind it, so you don't have to keep adjusting the price yourself. For example, if you set a 10% trailing stop on a $50 stock, your safety net starts at $45. If the price drops 10%, the system sells your shares for you. But if that stock climbs to $55, your safety net automatically moves up to $49.50. It keeps following the price higher, protecting more of your profit as the market moves. Finally, you need to set a time limit for your order. This tells the system how long to wait for your price to be hit before expiring. Good for day means your order expires when the markets close today. If the price doesn't hit your target by 4 p.m., the order disappears. Good till cancel stays active until your price is hit, or you manually turn it off. This is the best choice for those long-term safety nets, like a trailing stop, that you want to keep running for weeks or months. Lastly, good till date lets you set a custom deadline. If your price hasn't been hit by that specific date, the order cancels itself automatically. If you have any questions, you can reach our help desk by clicking the icon next to your username. You can create a ticket that will receive updates directly to your inbox on Wall Street Survivor. Thanks for watching.